to make oatmeal cookies using air fryer. Let's start. All the ingredients will be posted in the description box. You reach the ribbon consistency. You can also use spatula if you don't have a mixer. This is optional. You can add nuts, raisins, or anything that you want, like chocolate. Here I added almond bits. Since I am using 4-liter air fryer, I am going to make big cookies. Just form into a ball and then press a little. 4 big cookies are enough already because I'm using a small air fryer. This air fryer is fixed to 200 degrees. I set it to 15 minutes. Here's our finished product. Crunchy and gooey oatmeal cookies, best served with your coffee.